I want to welcome you back to another episode of We Full Time, where we take our music passion and we turn it into a full-time career. And in this video, I got 5 things that if you didn't know, now you know. Now the first thing, if you didn't know, which is how to turn off that tap tempo master button, I got you. Let me show you how to do that. Press menu, go to preferences, go to general. In general, you will find where it says, it should be the first thing up there, tap tempo, flash tap tempo light. Boom, turn it off. The blinking light is gone. All right. Now the second thing, if you didn't know how to change, which is the project defaults, in order for you to start an empty project, you can change it here. You see where it says new project dialog? You just switch it to off. So the next time you turn on your MPC Live II, it'll take you straight to an empty project. That way, hey, you ready to work, baby. All right. Now number three is something a lot of people didn't know, because I just found out myself recently. But I got to go to the search directory. Now this is going to deal with how fast you scroll and multi-touch. So if I want to scroll fast, right, I can use 1 finger. Oh yeah, I can use 2. Let me show you what happens when you use 3. I'm already at the bottom of the list. You see that? You see it? It's already at the bottom of the list. I'm already back at the top. So using this multi-touch 3-finger method, man, you can scroll through key groups, programs, like that, the 3-finger method. Now the fourth thing that if you didn't know, I'm gonna show you how to save your current location to a folder button up here. You see how I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they all go to certain things that I chose? I'm gonna show you how to do that. Straight to the point. You would hold down Shift. Once you select where you want it to be saved to, you want it to be files, waveforms, key groups or programs, clips, etc. Find the folder that I want it to be in. So let's just say I want it to be in folder number 1. Boom. Now pay it forward key groups are in folder number 1. If you didn't know number 5, I'm gonna show it to you, all right? Now on a 7-inch display, we need the most screen real estate we can get. When you start touching Q links, it takes it away, right? Now to turn that off, what you would do is hold down Q link. See where it says show Q link status when touched? It's off. Simple as that. So now when I'm touching the Q links, they're not popping up. In order to turn it back on, you just do the opposite. And for my MPC Live II users, I got an extra one for you. As you see here, I'm in the menu screen. What's cool is that the menu screen correlates to the 16 pads, right? So if I hold down menu and I want to go to the browser screen, I'm gonna hold down menu, I'm gonna press pad 16. Now I'm in browser mode. Now if I do the same thing with pad 8, it brings me to song mode. If I go back to menu, you see it's already selected. If you didn't know, now you know. Don't worry about it. So that wraps up. If you didn't know, now you know. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely put them down below in the comments section. Definitely subscribe, like the video. Helps me out a lot. I appreciate you all as well. Other than that, you know the motto, man. We full time, baby. Let's put in some work. Big timers. We full timers. We do this full time, baby. Full time. I'm out.